You're watching news that gets to the point on KATC TV3's Good Morning Acadiana.
Most of us have seen speed lumps on roadways in Acadiana. They're used as traffic calming devices to make drivers slow down. Well, just this week, traffic officials have installed speed tables along Dulles Drive in Lafayette. They're bigger than speed lumps. KATC's David Dakan found out city leaders hope to install more tables in an effort to slow down drivers.
We've all seen the speed lumps. Drivers have to hit the brakes to go over them. These new speed tables are much larger. They're about 15 feet long, and they've just been installed on Dulles between Foreman and Ambassador Caffrey in Lafayette.
We actually put down 5 tables. The actual material cost of those are about $5,000, plus we have to install them. So we've got about $25,000 worth of materials that we've installed in those locations. They seem to be effective.
There's something residents have been begging for along Dulles Drive. The city went with tables rather than lumps because Dulles is considered a thoroughfare and supports more traffic than areas where the lumps are installed. They're considered traffic calming devices
that basically remind people to drive safely and prudently.
The speed limit here along Dulles is 30 miles per hour, but drivers have to slow down to about 20 to go over the tables. Traffic leaders hope to put up similar tables on Simcoe between 12th and Pinhook, hoping to reduce the number of accidents in that area.
It's a positive measure to enhance the public safety that is perceived in the neighborhood concerning these areas.
In Lafayette, David Dakan, KATC TV3, Acadiana's news channel.
A Florida judge has ruled that a convicted sex offender found guilty of kidnapping